At Smart Glass Country, our product prices don't include installation. But we got you covered. We partner with a network of professional installers across parts of the USA and Canada to ensure quality installations whenever possible. Installation costs will vary depending on your location, the scope of the project, and the installer, but we are here to help. Reach out for a detailed quote and we will connect you with a trusted installer in your area. To save on installation costs, we recommend booking well in advance, preparing the space ahead of time, and scheduling during regular business hours. These steps ensure a smooth installation at the best possible rate. If you have any further inquiries, don't hesitate to reach out or start a chat on our website. We are here to help.
Smart Glass Country. Make ordinary glass extraordinary.